Well,
who go talk before?
we just want to tell you. Say, welcome to the show. Now, this is us not knowing how to start the show right now.
No. Now you don't know how to start
This
the
is
show.
us. If you know, why you not start the show?
Because I busy.
You are not professional. You're not supposed to arrange all these things before you
not
come
be
here.
arranged.
You don't mean I make I come show, can't they do like this? Can't they do like this?
No, now activity me the form. Not be say arrange. I don't arrange come take now. You understand? I just activity. If I reform, I'm busy. You understand? Arranging my wristwatch.
Where you the thief from?
You understand me? That's how we roll. You understand
Who
me?
they give you face cap?
That's how we roll. That's how we roll. These days now, you understand? The rolling P. You understand? Any which way, I think be ambassador for one cap company. We can do anything.
Well, I didn't notice something dramatic about my makeup
today. What do you do for eye and for lips? Now your lips, I really show. What do you go do for lips like this?
I put blue, I put pink, I put white, I put red, I put green.
See, that's why some men these days and men lifespan don't they reduce somehow because we they swallow all this poison.
Who tell you say person go swallow this one now?
Forget that thing.
If I finish, I go, I carry wipes, I clean them.
Forget.
If I finish.
If Oga just pay you surprise visit now for office, say baby girl, I just want to pay you surprise visit.
We'll hold hands and pray.
Come on, get away you. Hold hands and pray waiting. You go do waiting, you go do hold hands and pray.
Hold hands and pray. Oh my God, how was your trip?
Wow.
Welcome.
Wow. Okay. You know this is all liars will go to hell. They will rot a hair, they will finish a hair, and they will create another new hair for them as VIP. Move your liver for that place. You understand me now? But any which way, see your lying face. Okay, una welcome. Mono take my water, start the whole thing. Una welcome. How everybody there is as the woman. Now you supposed to welcome people. You understand? Now culture. Don't lose your culture because of makeup. You understand? Don't lose your culture because of social media. So welcome them.
Una welcome to our humble abode. Come in to the Paddy mansion. Enter our house and feel comfortable with our stool and table, with our paddy in the back, and your house guest will make you feel all right. Thank you for entering into our space.
Okay. My say you be mumu, you don't get house sales for this your head.
No, if you go out, you stand for door, somebody welcome. What you say? Come, welcome to our
No, the way they welcome. No, it remind me of coming to America.
We go put red carpet for floor, come say, welcome to our vicinity.
To Zabunda. All right, anyway, so now welcome on top of the show, and we'll get better fun today, okay? So everybody relax, okay? Your boy, your balls, and a scarf, your girl, Mayozin, she are there here together. We'll run the whole parole and run the whole package into Paddy show. So when they come back for Yarn the Yarn, all right? Don't go anywhere. Oh! It's a early morning. Early morning
at 11:30. Oh, look.
Yeah.
Una no get respect.
We go sing that song. Una no want me to sing that song.
Una want sing, we'll sing.
We go sing that.
Una no get respect.
Oh yeah, sing.
Give me beats. Can I come out again?
If you don't like cut am.
Cut am again.
Boom.
Yarn is coming to you right now. We gonna give you all the gist in the yarn. Let's move. Yarn coming to you now. We can give you all the gist. The paddy. Everybody run the paddy. Yarn. Oh yeah, put on. Album number 74.
Oh, track two. Roll it.
Thank you. The first gist, anybody wake us from the back, people there, same to you.
Same to you.
Yes. For inside Chinese, aka Chinese.
Chinatown.
Yeah.
Chinatown.
You get one primary school for there. You know, say normally, not primary per se, kindergarten, all this baby, all those kind of school. All those kind of place. For this place, they call it crèche.
Crèche.
But for there, they call kindergarten.
Now,
those schools, you know, so normally during afternoon time, they tell them to go sleep.
Yes, nap time.
We call them siesta. For mature people like us.
Yes.
For children, it's called a nap.
A nap.
Yeah. So, but if you are in between, if you are not sure if you are mature or a child, you can type it napesta or something like that.
Mayose.
Yeah.
Mayose.
Real quick.
You're not inventist.
And they tell you this thing.
Napesta.
That's creativity right there.
You understand? On the flicks.
Yeah. Okay, so during lunch, well, I don't forget my story.
Oh, yeah,
During
talk.
lunch, during nap time.
Yes.
Now, this particular principal, the name now Wu. W-U. Wu.
Finish.
Wu. He can't change them to meditation time.
Oh.
The thing don't last 2 days. Oh, parents begin complain. I beg, which can be meditation? You know, no say sleeping in the afternoon is good for children. If they rest their brain, which can be meditation. The man can't say, say he not doing with bad intention because he done the meditate now for 20 years. See that it helps to relax you and it help them to grow more for their mind. In contact say another reason why in do am like that now because of say poor ventilation did that place. And then the metal bed where they there, you know, sure say they're too comfortable for the children. So instead when they go, they lie down, they wake up with body pain and everything. And at the end of the day, they still don't feel sleep well. May they just do, you know, say meditation are quiet. You go just day. Now people say we no agree. That sleep.
We know one.
That sleep now we want.
They
you know,
must
the
sleep
2
the
days
sleep.
they scrap the meditation. So as we they talk now, they don't turn them back to nap time.
So instead of that time, so the way the guy be really want me say, if you all change nap time to say all the children you all cross leg,
They do
stretch, now one picking go spoil am. One for corner.
Go just begin cry.
You will all change am. But any which way, they say this meditation shall dey help. Oh.
Yeah.
For people, I'm not sure say the average black person, or make I say person for Lagos.
No, I know a few people where they do this.
For this Lagos.
In fact, they even get club.
When they do meditation,
like
because
if they come back from work, they'll carry their mats, carry their everything, go there for proper meditation.
because I feel say we too get too much for mind.
Ginger.
We not fit just stay, just do like this.
But I hear say the thing they relax you. It's actually therapeutic
Therapeutic.
or something like that.
Therapeutic.
Yeah.
Well, for those of us, I go try am one day, but I don't feel say
You cross
my ginger.
Can't hold your body. Can't
My ginger no fit just allow the thing just walk like that. But any which way, we will try and one day. For me, now some kind of worship songs for meditation, you understand? When I hear worship song, you understand? I say, wow. When the music fades and all strip away, and I simply come, longing just to bring something that's of worth that will bless your heart. I'll bring you more than a song for a song. Why they do that sound?
Not be the sound where they make you.
Nobody.
Stop up and read your story.
And they sing worship, they do wow, Mayowa. I gonna mix those two
You
things.
don't get sense. You know say I know you like the back of my eye. You are very foolish.
Come on, get away
Read the
you. Nonsense somebody
Now
like this.
people where they are don't know the kind of person.
And they sing worship song.
Read your story.
To worship. They do. They do ringtone for somebody. Nonsense girl. Please let me concentrate on my next story. Yan the Yan part 2. Now.
Read your story. Not say it's in camp.
Where this one happen again? Say, don't make me forget where this thing
Inside
happened.
space, Yugoslavia.
It's not for Bodo Ibosha. So people now they try find new ways, you know, to just make their wedding reception, you know, just tush. You know, some people don't tire for say you don't work out, enter the wedding, you just find out say okay, now the regular thing, you know, the same thing, music for corner. There's some people they make speech forever. For year, chairman go come talk, go teach you marriage 101. Talk. You go tire everybody. People go moon and serve food. I bet chairman to talk. You know, so the people don't time for the regular thing. Now be him, husband and wife. Paul Frickley, now be the man name, and his wife, in bride, Janet Steele. Two of them, 39 years old, now they be from Rugby for Warwickshire. Now that every happen. They can't decide, say, okay, make we just twist the whole thing up. We'll just surprise our guests them for the reception. So before the guests they go land, they will put animals everywhere. So as it be like this now, they invite 30 wild animals come their wedding reception to come follow them groove for their wedding reception. Plus snake, plus fox, plus different type of animal. Meerkats they serve, tarantula they serve. Different animals. So they say, okay, on top of the whole peel like this, just to add the spice for the whole thing. But as it be like this now, the people that way they hold animal rights for that side, don't talk say it cannot continue like this. Because the couple can't carry this kind of idea, can't they share give other people. See they feel, see scorpion.
What?
They say when they come out, come dance for their dance floor. Now scorpion and one other or two other animals, then they follow dance on top of the dance floor. But now different
Only
thing.
the scorpion yourself, leg don't they pinch.
Don't they sprint you a bit? But they say they don't scrap them now. the people that were in charge of animal rights for their own side.
Of course they go
talk say
scrap
no,
am.
no,
Of
no.
course.
You cannot come and continue like this.
Uh-uh.
But different things, so Mayowa. You know, I see people the way instead of motor they drive come their wedding reception.
Coffin.
Now coffin they carry
Yes,
come.
na,
Oh.
coffin.
Different things.
Coffin.
I don't see the one where they say okay, they want change, they
I
want
don't
get
see the one
new
with like
theme.
horse.
Horse still good now. Horse still good. I don't see theme where they say okay, no, the theme of our wedding will be burial ground.
Which kind of talk be this?
Everybody will come to the reception.
Wear black.
I don't for TV. Everybody wear black. Some people paint their face like skeleton. Then the person and the man and the wife now will come marry their own thing. Can't just like say they be dead body. So they come out for this like this. I can't say waiting they worry people for this world. Now some go take do one, they work with your end.
Well, no be say waiting they worry people. How people they take sit down. For inside which part of the medulla, now in this thinking, they come out. So then the thing go come waka, reach here, waka, reach mouth, come multiply.
They can't do the do from the thinking.
They can't do the do from the thinking. Thank
But
you.
imagine saying for here they can't go do that kind of thing. No. If not can't be saying a Yoruba reception.
No, don't try.
No, it's not. No, Yoruba don't take anything as nonsense. You understand?
Yeah.
Once you happen like no, you cannot come and be bringing animal to this place. So
Well, they soon tell you Twitter message you.
forget it. Twitter. No, Yoruba
You know, say na malam you talk with them.
forget it. No stress on the nonsense. You understand? Yorubas no they take. No even they build on this thing because you don't have to wait till not be now. So, but at the end of the whole thing like this, we not say they don't scrap and they don't scrap them. It cannot come and continue again for that side, and for this side of the world too, the same thing. It cannot happen. It cannot happen. So go on break sharply, and by the time we come back from this break, we'll continue to Yam the Yam part 2 for each side with Mayowa and the scarf of balls, baby.
Peace, man.
Shields. No, they knock my hand like that, Joe.
Respect yourself. Kilo se jero.
I go do am. No worry.
Jero.
For this thing, I go show you. Say.
What do you want to do?
Oh Lord.
It looks painful.
It's not painful, man. It's not painful. You know, so before when I felt flexible like that, if you do all these kind of things, you understand. But this one, they don't train their body well. They don't train their body well. No be today, you know. No go try saying one do now. Now it's cement don't full everywhere. You get so.
No, but I guess sometimes so you go just. Part 2 of Yan, real quick.
Maya, that's the way you want to talk. Okay. Oh yeah, they talk. Yan the Yan.
Part 2 of Yan the Yan. But this is my gist. The gist funny. For inside one prison.
Ole.
For inside prison, 35-year-old prisoner will be said and convicted and don't be said and put him for prison because he killed person. They call him murderer. This man, only he scaled prison fence.
You.
Not be say he come out for the prison, no. He scaled one of their dumb fences them. Can't go climb for up of the fence. Can't they break window, they break CCTV camera, they break everything. So when police people come say me then climb, go meet them.
Yes.
He can't come out with 2 big iron metal rod. Saying go wound. They say, this is my fence, not your fence. The guy did there.
If not near me.
And you know say American people they like play.
Yes.
Now people come out. So people come out with even music. They begin play music, the guy can't dance.
For top there.
For on top the
Say,
deer.
wow.
The guy they dance, say, come on, this is my time, I'm gonna book. For like 60 hours. Now in this guy, they do negotiation. See, the guy just, they do anyhow. You know, they can't calm the guy down. When they promise, I say they go give her 1 large pizza and 1 canned drink. All this when they do now just for food. 1 large pizza and 1 can. When he come down, they stay and cough and that food they still don't give him.
Hey, no, come on. You give him his food now, fundamental human rights now.
Okay, no, they give him actually. They give him because in talk say, let me make I write him as a TikTok man. His name now Honor. He happened for inside the America place. The man say, I have done what I wanted. I've proved my point. I've gotten a 12-inch pizza and a can of drink.
Bam.
I've done what I want to.
Yes.
They don't jail him for 27 years for shooting his uncle.
Oh.
in talk say, well, the prison is very boring. I needed some fun.
Now it's entertainment. He said no one wrong. I just want to go cause wahala for the area. You understand? Based on the bad guy who I be, when I let know say I still dey very active. I climb the roof. I say, dance everybody, play music for me.
I tell you this, people come out, they clap for and they play music. The guy say, "Man, I know what I know go run, but you see this roof, I no go come down."
It's my roof. It's not
hours.
your roof.
That's days.
Well, any which way, as far as the guy no come and prove, say he want to jump and kill himself, now also maybe you're good to go flex. All right. So quickly, we always tell people, say, I beg, when I take care of the people that when they give them, they take care of.
Yes.
You understand? If you know say you be your guy, you be madam, and I get one house girl, house boy, or one small person where they or help, where they for house, where they help you take care of children or help you they arrange house or one thing, they very nice to them. I beg. Last time, for the same Kenya,
yes,
where they show one girl, where they get the beat,
throw away the picking up and
they flip picking up and down.
Yeah.
For the same Kenya now, CCTV camera don't catch another girl, house girl, we use her piece. Take cook food for her oga for house. Say because
as she dey store the piece.
He store the piece of bottle. So she go and they cook food for her madam for house. Finally, and they don't catch her. They can't see her for camera. Say now all the pieces she don't store for several days for that bottle. Now they arrange food for her madam. But anyway, she say the madam they very very wicked to ram. Now make come they do all this kind of badness to give a madam to pay them back for the bad thing the way they do.
I always tell
so
people,
I beg.
Especially the ones where they take care of your children.
Yes.
Because when you know they there.
Oh no.
Now them and your pikin.
Things they happen.
You don't know what thing they carry your pikin do. We take your name, beg you. Nobody is a low or not an important person.
Everybody is a human being.
Now just opportunity say you get, they no get.
Finish. All right. So at this point in time, also don't make our points clear. Be nice to your helpers. Okay, for now, laugh the laugh. Short one before we carry mask come up for paddy for today. Quickly.
For this world.
Find a way to relax.
You have to relax at all.
Please.
Like me now, the only thing that relaxes me is when you understand?
Yeah.
They make me relax.
When she's with me, she's relaxed.
I'm relaxed.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, we'll say see you now tomorrow. God bless you now. See us on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. We love all of you tomorrow. As me, myself, and my girl, Mayowa, and every week they come up for the show like this. We love you. If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.